Hello everyone and welcome to Smythers in the studio. Today I would like to show you how to do a pour painting. I'm going to show you all of the things that you are going to need for this project. You're going to need something called Floetrol, okay? You can get this at Home Depot. You can get this at Michael's. It's fairly cheap. I also have it in this bottle as well. You'll see what I'm going to use with that. You will also need some silicone oil. Okay, you can get this at Michael's. If you are going to Home Depot, they sell things that look like this. 3-in-1 silicone. You will need that. You will also need all of your colors. I have chosen these colors. And I already have them pre-mixed, okay? But I am going to show you the process of mixing them. And I think I need another color. And what color would you say? Oh, purple! Perfect! You guys are so good. So, here is what you are going to do. You're going to take a cup. Okay. You're going to take your paint. You're gonna put some in the bottom of your cup, enough to fill the bottom. Okay. Now, because this is regular paint, just regular acrylic paint, you are going to need to add some water. Okay? Cup of water. Pour a little bit in there, not too much, and mix it up. So it's all one consistency. Then you are going to add the Floetrol. You want equal parts. So you see how much there is right there? I'm going to add equally that much Floetrol in there. And once again, I'm going to mix till a smooth consistency. Okay? You want your paint to do this. See how it's flowing off of the stick? Yes, hence the Floetrol, flowy. Okay, I have done that with all of my other paints, okay? When you guys are ready and that part is mixed, you are then gonna add the silicone, and don't add it before then. Make sure everything is mixed. That means your paint, the water, and the flow, okay? Now I'm going to add the silicone oil to all of my paints over here. Maybe variate your drops. 3 drops, a whole lot of drops, just a few drops. You are then going to slightly mix them. Just very slightly. Maybe 7 or 8 turns. All right. You're gonna need one more cup, okay? This is called a dirty pour, all right? You're going to slowly add your colors to this cup. You can go in any order that you want. Don't do all of it. It's gonna look like that. Okay, now things are gonna go really fast. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So this is what it looks like. Trying to get the glare out for you guys. Still kind of drippy, so I'm not wanting to do that. So in that video, or in the hyperlapse part of it, I poured it in the middle and I kind of did circular motions. And then I started to tilt the canvas really slowly, okay? And then I used flow on the edges because I wanted the colors to run a little bit more. And then you can use a hair dryer. I use a heat gun, but anything like that, you need to kind of hit it with heat and then leave it. And it's going to take at least 24 hours, if not 48 hours, to dry fully. And I will show you guys the final result. But that is pour paint with acrylic paint with Miss Smythers.